A piggy bank is such a practical gift for a kid. When I was looking for a piggy bank for my kids, I was looking for something that was still cute, but not too childish. I saw this adorable sloth piggy bank and I knew it was perfect. It has a natural light brown exterior with a white face and gray accents. He just looks so peaceful and content sitting in this position with his little smile. While the piggy bank is geared for kids, this style of piggy bank will grow up with your kids. The bank is ceramic and feels well made. On the back of the head is the slot big enough to throw in some folded stacked bills and coins. And I love the size of the piggy bank. It's just under 8 inches tall. I appreciate that it's tall and not wide, so it can fit on our kids' bookshelf. The bank can fit about $60 to $80, mostly quarters, before we have to empty it. And on the bottom is the rubber seal where you would take out all your coins. It's a really cute bank that will grow up with your kids, and I appreciate the natural look of this adorable sloth.